Hello everyone, my name is Professor Vishakha Bende. In today's session, we are going to discuss about micro and macroeconomics in detail. Before starting this topic, just click on bell icon and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Microeconomics. The prefix micro is derived from Greek word micros, meaning small. Microeconomics studies the economic behavior of individual economic unit and individual economic variables. The study of economic behavior of the household, firm, and industries from the subject matter of microeconomics. Microeconomics is concerned with economic activities of individual economic unit as consumer, resource owners, and business firms. Microeconomics revolves around the interaction of consumers and producers in market. Microeconomics explain how this individual as a consumer or household, as a resource owner and as a producer play their part in working of the whole economic system. Here is the subject matter of microeconomics. Microeconomics is concerned with product market, factor market, and welfare economics. In product market, there is a theory of demand, there is a theory of production, theory of cost, theory of product pricing, and in factor market, there is a theory of distribution. Thus, microeconomics deals with the determination of product prices, determination of factor prices and their quantities in individual market, then allocation of resources among various firms and industries, and last is it deals with the action and interaction of individual markets, product and factor markets. Now, macroeconomics. Macroeconomics deals not with individual quantities as such, but with aggregate of these quantities, not with individual income, but with national income, not with individual prices, but with price level, not with individual output, but with the national output. You can see the prefix macro is derived from the Greek word macros, meaning large. Macroeconomics is the study of the economy as a whole. Macroeconomics deals with the functioning of the economy as a whole. The subject matter of macroeconomics. Macroeconomics deals with the theory of national income, theory of output and employment, the theory of general price level, theory of economic growth, theory of international trade, and theory of money. Here is you can see the difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics. Macroeconomics it deals with individual income or individual economic behavior. It deals with aggregate economic behavior of the people in general. In microeconomic, it deals with the pricing of a particular commodity in an industry. In macroeconomics, it deals with general price level in the economy, national income, accounting, etc. In microeconomics, price is the basic parameter of microeconomics. In macroeconomic, income is the basic parameter of microeconomics. In microeconomics, study of microeconomics is important for resource utilization, public finance, and for taking business decisions. In macroeconomics, study of macroeconomic is important for formulation of economic policy of whole nation. The concept of microeconomic are independent concept. Here is macroeconomics. The concept of macroeconomic are interdependent on one another. The concept were popularized by the famous Alfred Marshall, and the macroeconomic concept popularized by James Keynes. Microeconomics, this concept have more theoretical value, and in macroeconomics these have more practical value. Microeconomic bottom up view of the economy, and macroeconomic is top down view of the economy. In this chart there is interdependence of microeconomics and macroeconomics. There is really no opposition between micro and macroeconomic, both are vital. You are less than half educated if you understand one while being ignorant of the other. In macroeconomic deals with big issues of economic life, but the entire economy is made up of its part. Basic goal of both microeconomic and macroeconomic theories is maximization of material welfare of the people and the entire economy. Then importance of microeconomics. Microeconomics function in the market economy. It also allocation of resources, price determination, economic efficiency. It helpful in international trade and useful in business decision making, formulation of economic policy. Importance of macroeconomics. It understanding the working of the economy, under understanding the major issues facing the economy, study of national income, insight into microeconomics, useful in formulating government economic policy and international comparison. So here is all about a difference between micro and macroeconomy. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching.